In this intro, we'll introduce the multidimensional transformation and mapping. The multidimensional transformation and mapping tool is used within integration services to define transformation logic between inputs and outputs. It's available as a component to use when composing data flows within custom services. Now we'll use the multidimensional transformation and mapping tool to define the transformation logic between an input delimited line and an output with two targets, XML generic and the table. Let's access the MTM. The MTM is organized in two main sections. The first one displays the input and output data structure and the mapping logic between inputs and outputs. The second section displays user-defined expressions to handle advanced transformation logic between inputs and outputs. The MTM displays the input and output data structure and elements. Here we have two targets, a table and a generic. Let's create an iteration to iterate on input data elements to generate target data elements. Then we use drag and drops to map input data elements to output data elements. The mapping logic displays in the mapping sections, showing the transformation logic between inputs and outputs. We proceed the same way to define the mapping rules between the inputs data elements and the table output elements. Now we'll use some expressions to generate and output data elements. We start by creating a variable that will handle some calculations. The variable displays in the user-defined expressions. Then we'll edit the output expression to take the value of the variable. When applying the expression displays in the user-defined expressions section, we can look at the XSL code for the mapping rules. See you next demo.